Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera, and I'm Shifali. The Delhi High Court has directed Google to take proactive steps to identify and remove fake, misleading, and AI manipulated videos circulating on YouTube that misuse the image and likeliness of spiritual leader and Isha Foundation founder Sadhguru Jagdish Vasudev. The interim order was issued by Justice Manmeet Pratham Singh Arora while hearing an ongoing lawsuit filed by Sadhguru and the Isha Foundation against the repetitive misuse of his name, image, and personality on online platforms. The court observed that the continued spread of such content not only violated Sadhguru's personality rights but also caused widespread confusion among the public. In accordance with the Information Technology, Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021, the court instructed Google to use its available technological tools to detect and take down fraudulent advertisements and doctored videos, including one particular viral fake video falsely showing Sadhguru being arrested. Justice Arora also directed Google to hold constructive discussions with the Isha Foundation to devise a preventive mechanism that would stop the reoccurrence of such deepfake content, ensuring that the foundation would not have to manually report every single violation. If defendant number 45, that's Google, has any technological limitations or reservations with respect to this direction, it may take instructions and file an affidavit explaining the same, the judge said. Now, the court specifically referred to Rule 4.4 of the 2021 IT rules, which require intermediaries to deploy technology-based tools to proactively identify and remove identical or similar content so that affected individuals are not buried with repetitive filing takedown requests. The order came after Sadhguru's legal team submitted new evidence of misleading YouTube links that portrayed false narratives about the spiritual leader, including videos falsely claiming his arrest. Google's counsel informed the court that the company has already removed several URLs flagged by the Isha Foundation and expressed its willingness to collaborate further to develop a long-term solution to the problem. This is not the first time the Delhi High Court has intervened in such a matter. Now, on May 13, the court has earlier recognized Sadhguru's personal right, ruling out his image, voice, and likeliness could not be used without consent. At that time, Justice Saurav Banerjee had directed major online intermediaries, including Google, to suspend or disable fake and AI-generated content that can be used to promote scams or gain followers under Sadhguru's name. Despite those earlier directions, the Isha Foundation argue that the misleading content has resurfaced with even greater frequency. The foundation pointed out that Google's own ad policies prohibit clickbait contents or ad exploiting negative life events, such as false claims about death or arrest, yet similar content continued to appear on YouTube. According to the foundation, the ongoing circulation of deepfake videos and deceptive advertisements have caused significant distress and confusion among Sadhguru's followers. Thousands of people have reportedly contacted the organization to verify rumors on his supposed arrest, prompting renewed concern about the unchecked spread of AI-generated misinformation. The Isha Foundation urged viewers and followers to remain vigilant and to report any misleading or fake advertisement that falsely depict or quote Sadhguru by marking them as scam or misleading on YouTube. The matter will now continue to be monitored by the High Court, which has made it clear that digital platforms are obliged to use all available technologies to prevent the misuse of public figures' image and reputation for fraudulent or misleading purposes. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera. Download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.